Valentine's Day is almost here, and if you want to surprise your loved one with something special, creative, and memorable, this video is for you. Today, I'll show you how to create a stunning Valentine's Day video with romantic effects, love animations, and text styles. And yes, you can also win free AI credits and get up to 50% off. Let's get started. Step 1. Start a new project. First, open HitPaw Edimakor and click on New Project. If you don't have Edimakor yet, download it from the link in the description. Step 2. Create an AI Valentine's video. Once inside Edimakor, go to AI Video from the left menu. Now look for Love Vibes. Here you'll find multiple Valentine's Day video effects. Simply choose a Love Vibes effect, upload your photo and click Create. And just like that, your romantic AI Valentine's video is ready. Step 3. Generate AI Valentine's images. You can also create AI Valentine's Day images. Go to AI Image and again select Love Vibes. Pick the style you like and upload your image. Choose resolution, aspect ratio, output quantity, and click Generate. Your AI Valentine's image will be ready in seconds. Step 4. Add the romantic touch. Now it's time to bring your Valentine's video to life. Go to the text section and open Valentine's Day. Here you'll find romantic fonts, love-themed titles, and beautifully animated text styles. Simply drag and drop them to express your feelings perfectly. Next, open the Elements section and explore Valentine's Day gifts. From floating hearts and roses to cute love icons and animations that instantly add warmth and emotion. Finally, head to the Effects section and select Valentine's Day. Add soft love particles, heart overlays, and smooth romantic transitions to give your video a magical finishing touch. And just like that, your Valentine's Day video looks heartfelt, cinematic, and unforgettable. Now here's the best part. HitPaw Edimakor has launched a Valentine's Day event. You get up to 50% off, plus 50 free AI credits, all by answering a few quick and easy questions. Simply enter your email to claim the credits. You can earn even more AI credits by sharing your Valentine's video. Here's how. Create a Valentine's Day video in HitPaw Edimakor, upload it to any social media platform and use the hashtag #EdimakorValentines and boom. Free AI credits will be added automatically. These offers and free AI credits are only valid till March 2nd, 2026. So don't wait. Create your Valentine's Day video today and surprise someone you love. Happy Valentine's Day.